So when I was a kid, when I would perform, sometimes, people would say things afterwards, and someone asked me if I took voice lessons. And I had no idea what that was. I thought that just meant, do you practice? And so I said yes. Well, later upon learning what that meant, I felt insulted. I thought, of course I don't take voice lessons. This is all from myself. I'm naturally talented. Being someone who does classical singing now and teaching myself, I no longer have that same belief. If you're someone who's already talented and you want to learn to be the best you can be, you should definitely seek out a vocal coach. Because why would you want to just be, if you already have a gift, why would you not use it to the best of your ability? Because working with a vocal coach can help you increase your range, your volume, it can help you be more flexible. A vocal coach can help you do whatever you want to do with your voice. And there's no shame in that. It doesn't mean you're not talented if you get vocal coaching. It literally just means you have a gift and you are using it to the best of your abilities. So if you're interested in learning more about what I have to offer, book a call with me down below.